Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the songs you plan to use are actual local files, not DRM-locked streams. If you bought tracks from the iTunes Store or exported CDs to AAC/MP3, move them into a dedicated music folder. Once done, make sure Virtual DJ is installed and you know the exact folder path. You'll point Virtual DJ there. This prevents the common DRM issue and lets Virtual DJ read waveform and metadata. Act now. Gather only DRM-free files before importing. Now you import and let Virtual DJ analyze the tracks. Open Virtual DJ settings, add your music folder under Local Files, then right-click the folder in the browser and choose Rebuild Database or Analyze Selection so beatgrid and key are calculated. While files scan, confirm each file's permissions let Virtual DJ read them, otherwise it will skip them. Once analysis finishes, create playlists or crates for DJing. This step is critical because Virtual DJ relies on local analysis for beat matching and effects. Finally, load your prepared songs into Virtual DJ decks and confirm waveform, BPM, and key are visible. Perform a quick mix to prove everything functions. If a track stays gray or refuses to play, that indicates DRM or missing file permissions. Virtual DJ cannot play protected Apple Music streams. To fix this, purchase DRM-free versions from iTunes, use CD rips you own, or re-export purchased files in a supported format. If problems persist, re-import the folder and rebuild the database.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.